In object selection mode, just click on an object to select it. The selected object can be moved and rotated using the object grips, but you can also modify its properties. Performing a multiple selection, you can also select a group of objects so that they can all be moved, rotated, or be assigned with different properties in one single operation. To select multiple items, you can of course select them one by one, holding down the Shift key. Or if the situation allows you to, you can trace a selection rectangle on at least one of the object points. To remove the selection from one or more selected objects, simply click on an object with the Shift key pressed. If you need to deselect everything, just click anywhere in the workspace. In the local menu, we can find the selection options. Here we can select or deselect all objects, but also invert the selection, deselecting the objects that were previously selected and selecting those that weren't.